Okay. I'm going to show you how many cats we have. Just indoors. Now watch. We have that one. That is my cat. Anybody shoots it, I'm going to shoot the person who shot him. We have that one. Here, let me turn on the light so we can see them. That one. That didn't really help. That one. That one. That one. That one. And that's just in here, in my kitchen. Otherwise, we have that one. That one. See him? That one. That one. That one and that one. That one. Him. That one. That one. That one. Shoot. Anyway, that one. That one. That one. I guess I already counted them. That one, and that one, and that one, and those two, and these three, actually four, and that one. Let's see here. We have a whole bunch in there. And that one, and that one. Now, you've got to believe me that I have a whole lot of cats. If you don't, you're freaking stupid. Stupid!